working on rolling over and using it as a catch-up.
In this video, you're going to learn why your baby's arm gets stuck when rolling over, how to support optimal rolling over with a simple at-home exercise, and find a resource to learn more about optimal rolling over. Welcome to Movement Lesson. Find our links in the description below.
Help with rolling over. So great. You came to work on catch-up, and it's happening because you're doing it. Baby, if they're not getting it, is not going to do it on their own the way it's meant to be. And you can see this with the catch-up. So the rolling over is happening, but the arm is getting stuck, and I'm going to explain why. When you're rolling over, right, a baby, and she's starting to do it, reaches for an object, but the head is in an upright position and catches air, and it comes right over that arm. The arm doesn't get stuck. When a child head is just a little bit too low, see, there's not enough room for that arm ahead of time to get higher. See how I'm down here? And so that's what happens, and now my arm's stuck. And then they have to adjust their head lift. When they're here and they're rolling over, head's at a certain position, guess what? Now they're up, right? And that's how it works. It's that simple. Down here, arm stuck. Up here, arm in position. You will not see the head go first. You're not going to see the tush go first. You're not going to see any of that. It needs to be nice and synchronized, because when it's synchronized, it can go backwards, your baby, and can go forwards. And that is a true rolling over. Rolling over. They're not falling out of position, which I see so much. Oh, that's where you get, my baby now can roll to their back. No, they fell to their back. It's about quality. It's about continuity, and the eye stays on the prize all the time. You will not see a baby do that. Go back to the rolling over course, still work with it. You're here, and this is where I lightly, again, not grabbing the baby's head, almost like a magic carpet, and I'm right here, and I'm just going to be working on that synchronicity. Right? See how the head and the pubic bones are all going together, and that's how it's synchronized. And that's what you're looking for with the rolling over course. With some munchkins, the midline right here on their side, that's where the complexity is, and you just stay here a bit. And, let them play with their toys. If they roll over, that's fine. And that's what's nice about this hand position, because my baby's not gonna lose the momentum of the movement, but you want the head here versus that little bit of struggle that's here, and that's when people go, come on, get your arm out. No, that's not how it works. Thanks.
To learn more about optimal rolling over, find our course link in the description.